Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we're going to show you how you can disassemble a device, but the thing is most of the devices now are sealed devices that you have to open it up and using heat and actually cutting off the adhesive that keeps the screen or the back panel to the device. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. You can actually use a heat gun as we have here. We'll put the temperature on 100, 150, put the air pressure on 6 or 7. And first thing first, you have to heat up the device. This device actually opens from the screen. Now I'm going to start. It's a J8. Be careful about where is the LCD flat connector. Watch a video about how to disassemble a device first, then go for it. This device, the J8, actually it's somewhere around here, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm going to start heating it up from up. Heat it up so you can keep your hand hard on the screen. That would be good enough. Careful about how much you're heating it up. Heat it up so you can barely keep your hands on the screen. You can heat it about 1 or 2 minutes. That should do it. As you can see, I'm going to start from 1 point. Okay, that should do it. Now I'm going to use a knife or a precision knife, trying to get underneath the glass. Be careful about how you are pushing it in. You might actually damage the screen. I'm gonna try heat it up one more time because actually the temperature is a little bit too low here, so I have to heat it up several times if I'm the device does cools down too fast. That's going to be a little bit tricky to get inside. We'll try it one more time. I'm going to try it again. This one is a little bit tricky than I thought. The thing that I'm too careful about it, because the LCD does open up from the front, so you have to be careful as much as I do, because if you pull the screen too much, you might damage the screen. Careful about it. Now again. Okay. Let's see if it's got something here. In this case, you can use some alcohol or something. Just a little alcohol will do the job. Be careful about where you are using the alcohol, because only in LCDs that using AMOLED technology you can use this. The LCD that does have LCD technology, it's not a very good idea to using some alcohol, because you might damaging the backlight. I'm gonna cut through the adhesive here. Okay, I'm gonna sand it underneath the crystal itself, and I guess we're done. Now, if I'm not mistaken, alright, that should do the job. Now I'm gonna move here, trying to soften the adhesive here, using a little bit more alcohol now. Careful about how much you're using. Too much of it, that's not a good idea. As you can see, I can easily cut through the adhesive now. But the thing is, my card is underneath the OLED itself. To make sure that your card is underneath the OLED, because if it doesn't, you might actually damage the LCD. I'm not sure if I have damaged it yet. I don't want to spoil anything, so I'm going to keep moving. After I have done, then I will going to check out if I have damaged the LCD or not. But I haven't heard any crack or something. That's a good sign actually. Okay, we're moving now. I'm going to put something here. Make sure the LCD doesn't go back into its place. That should do our job. Careful, it's a metal. If metal even touches the OLED, it's dead. A little bit more alcohol. Now keep cutting through the adhesive. No, I'm not even sure where the flat is, but I am keep moving now. Hoping for good news. Again, over here. Okay, easy, easy. Move very gentle, do not push it so hard, because pushing it so hard might just crack the OLED. Hitting it up. Moving. Okay. Now I'm gonna move inside, making sure the adhesive that is right underneath the LCD is worth of time situation here. You have to work with patience. Do not work through rush. The OLEDs, the screens are expensive, so be careful. You don't just want to damage the thing you weren't gonna pay for. Because of course, when you damage this LCD, and you haven't told your customer that it is risky to open it, and actually you have to pay for the LCD. But if you haven't told your customer, it's okay. If you even break the LCD, you don't have to pay for it. But I don't think that's a good idea. Heat it up, good enough. I'm going to try to lift it and cut through this place. Leave it here. Now I'm going to move in this one. As you can see, now the LCD does moves, and we are done. Now the moment of truth is right in front of our eyes. as you can see, the LCD is okay, and we can go for the rest of the things. Now I'm going to use a Phillips screw. In this video, I'm just gonna. Okay, that's not good. Oh my god, that's. I'm not even sure that this LCD is genuine or not. I think it is. Oh my god, touch those buttons. Okay, now for, as you can see, the LCD does works. Okay, still okay. Now I'm just gonna. That's it. It's done. Now, if I'm gonna put it back together, first thing first, you have to remove the remaining adhesive that we have just destroyed with alcohol. It have to be very clean. Nothing have to left over here. Do it. Do it again. It has to be completely surfaced, and nothing has to be left around here, because if you don't, the LCD might not just sit into its place properly. Okay, nothing is here. I'm going to clean it in. It's okay. Done. Do not glue the underneath the LCD. Use two-side tapes, two-side adhesive. That's much better. The liquid glues are actually dangerous. If you had the bracket, put it back into its place. You can use some alcohol to clean the sides. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.